It's business as usual for an industry under intense scrutiny, at least for now. This is Wilshire Labs, a pharmaceutical manufacturing company based in Lahore. It produces its own brand of generic heart medicines at the center of a tainted drug scandal which has left several dozen people dead and many others ill. None of the products made here are involved, but Amjad Jawa, the company's director, says he fears the crisis could destroy confidence in Pakistan's entire drugs business, which accounts for 60% of the domestic market.
6 more months, we may not be there. They will be importing from other countries. They already want to import from India, so they are going to kill us.
Oversight of Pakistan's pharmaceutical industry has long been criticized for a lack of regulation and enforcement, but in the past 7 months there's been almost none at all. The federal government devolved the Ministry of Health in June last year, making the 4 provinces individually responsible. But provincial administrations have yet to set up the required departments. It appears it hasn't been much of a priority for them until now.
The decision of the federal government to dissolve the Federal Ministry of Health is a disaster.
Dr. Sheila Akram speaks for the Punjab Women's Chamber of Commerce and Industry.
There has to be a governing body, there has to be a legislative body who takes care of the industries. And you can't just leave it on their own, and when it's such a vital industry. It's not like making a knitwear that you don't need a controlling body. We need a very tight control.
Both provincial and federal governments have been silent on the issue of oversight, but have ordered an investigation into the crisis. The suspect medicines have been taken off store shelves and removed from hospitals. None were ever destined for international markets. Meanwhile, compensation has been promised to victims as well as their families, and laboratories in Europe and Pakistan are testing samples of the drugs in question as part of an effort to find out exactly what caused so many to fall ill and in a number of cases die. Imtiaz Tyab, Al Jazeera, Lahore.